Module Overview. Packaging 2D artwork such as paintings, drawings, prints, photographs, and framed pieces is both a science and an art. These flat works may seem simpler to pack than three-dimensional sculptures, but in reality, they are highly vulnerable to pressure, temperature changes, impact, punctures, surface abrasion, static, and moisture. This module explores in exhaustive detail how to prepare and pack 2D art for transport or shipping, whether domestic or international, while preserving its integrity and ensuring it arrives undamaged. From archival wrapping and corner support systems to glass protection techniques, floater frame adjustments, and handling of unframed works on paper, this module equips you with step-by-step protocols and advanced protective strategies. Artists, galleries, museums, art consultants, and shipping companies will all benefit from the techniques outlined in this module. Assessment of the artwork prior to packaging. Material and medium consideration: oil, acrylic, watercolor, graphite, ink, mixed media. Surface sensitivity, fragility, tackiness, fresh paint, pigment looseness, framed versus unframed works. Evaluate glass usage, e.g., glazing or absence, mounting and matting stability dimensions, and weight analysis. A thorough inspection identifies the proper packaging layers, avoiding a one-size-fits-all approach. Wrapping techniques for unframed 2D artworks. A. Works on paper, prints, drawings, photos. Use of archival interleaving acid-free tissue or glassine between each piece. Flat packaging method sandwich between foam core or mat board, rolled method, only when safe. Rolled with protective sheet, inside rigid tube with cushioning, special consideration. Never roll, works with pastel or charcoal mediums. Avoid plastic directly on photo paper. Traps moisture. Packaging framed artwork. A. Face protection glassine or mylar layer, non-static, non-stick corner protectors, foam or cardboard to absorb shock. B. Frame and glass management secure loose frames with stretch wrap. Apply artist's tape or cross-taping on glazing, prevent shattering during impact. Use of foam board or cardboard panel. Over the face, C. Rear protection backboard, reinforcement. Double corrugated board, float mount spacers, optional, prevent compression damage. Boxing framed artworks. Single framed piece wrapped in foam and placed into a telescoping box, minimum 2 inches cushioning on all sides, reinforced with corner bumpers, multiple pieces interleaved with foam sheets, packed upright, like books, with edge protection, use of dividers and compartmentalization within crate, crating options, slipcase, crates, for gallery/museum grade transportation, plywood float crates, float-mounted artwork for shock isolation, shock-absorbent foam linings. Climate and vibration protection. Use of desiccants, silica gel, humidity indicator cards, gel, suspension. Corners for vibration isolation, waterproof liners, or plastic sleeving for long-haul or overseas transit. International shipping considerations for 2D works. Comply with customs declarations for cultural goods. Avoid packing materials restricted by ISPM 15 regulations. Include condition reports and visual documentation use. Tamper evident seals for high-value shipments. Common mistakes to avoid. Using bubble wrap directly on painted or glazed surfaces. Taping directly onto frame or artwork. Over-tightening inner packaging. Rolling artwork that shouldn't be rolled. Pastels, aged paper. Leaving artworks in contact with acidic materials.